This is bitumen. Polymer modified bitumen, to be precise. Polymers and other components added to conventional bitumen elevate it to a new level, enabling the resulting PMB to withstand extreme temperature shifts, heavy loads, and the wear and tear of constant traffic. This makes roads built with PMB not only more durable, but also safer. So, what does the modification process entail? It's a simple but carefully controlled process. First, heated bitumen is poured into a mixing tank. Then, additives like plasticizers, stabilizers, adhesion agents, and polymers are introduced. This mixture is passed through a colloidal mill, where the discs grind all components into a fine, consistent blend. From there, the mixture is transferred to a special reservoir, where it rests for several hours, allowing it to become truly homogeneous. Before it can be used, the batch samples undergo rigorous testing to ensure the modified bitumen meets the required quality standards. Pressure aging vessel and rolling thin film oven simulate aging processes to verify the bitumen's performance, not just at the moment of asphalt production, but after 5 or even 10 years of road use. Once tested, the finished PMB is assigned a grade. The performance grade system evaluates how well the bitumen performs under different temperature conditions. The product is then labeled with PG, followed by numbers indicating the temperature range it can withstand. For example, PG 6422 means that the bitumen will perform well at temperatures up to 64 degrees Celsius and down to -22 degrees Celsius. The variety of PMB grades available allows for precise customization to meet the specific demands of any project based on its climate and usage conditions. This extends the life of the road surface, reduces maintenance costs, and offers a way to build better roads, safer, more resilient, and more accessible.